Hi guys, last time we discussed about how props work from parent component to child component. Now there is some Q&A question and answer section. So it will be good for interview perspective or knowledge perspective. So how do you create React app and run the project? The, the, as you know, we created the project by the npx create React app with project name. Then we have to run the project by npm run or npm start. So this is the two basic questions. So we'll come to next question. After modifying code in the file in the object, rerun automatically by the application. So it is called hot reloading. Where index.html resides, it is resides on public folder and index.html. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.